All right, let's look at the homework 3.1, 3.2, problem number 9. All right, so let's find the critical numbers of this given function here. All right, so let's take the derivative. F prime of x is equal to, all right, so we need to square the denominator. So quantity x plus 4 squared. And derivative of x is 1 times the denominator is x plus 4 minus numerator is x times the derivative of the bottom, which is going to be 1. Right? So we can cancel. There's an x here and minus x, they cancel out. So we're going to get 4 over, all right, x plus 4 squared. And you notice that this is actually never equal to 0 because the numerator is non-zero, right? Which means that the critical number actually does not exist. Right? So let's type it in. All right, so critical number does not exist. All right, so let's go ahead and check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. So there is no critical numbers, right? Then, but we still can talk about the increasing, decreasing graph here. So we're going to do the number line again, right? Then what we want to do is we actually look at the domain of this function. As you can see that the domain is, so the denominator becomes 0 when x equals -4. So I'm going to actually put a tick marks at the -4. And then we look at the sign of the derivative before and after. So we have f prime of anything smaller than -4. So I'll try -5. And if you plug it in, you can see that here 4 is positive, -5 plus 4 is actually negative, but because of the squared, it's actually positive, so everything is positive. And after -4, so we can try like -3, right? But it's going to be everything is positive, so it's positive. Right, so which means that if you're talking about the behavior of the original function, it's going to be increasing before -4. Oh, actually, I meant the increasing, so let's see. So I'm going to, so this is increasing, so erase that. And even after -4, it's going to be increasing. Right, so let's type it in. All right, so it's going to be increasing on the interval from negative infinity, so negative infinity, to -4. All right, then we're going to skip that. So let's see, I'm going to use the set symbol again, combine. So skip that because function is not really defined there. And then go all the way to positive infinity. All right. Decreasing, it's never decreasing, so I'm going to say does not exist. All right, then we can go ahead and look at the picture. So it's always increasing before and after -4. All right, so this is always increasing, but this is before +4, so that's not it. Here, this is decreasing, so it's not it. A third picture is again decreasing, that's not it. But the fourth picture is increasing before and after -4. So this is the correct picture. Right? So let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the increasing, decreasing interval correctly and also the correct picture. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.